In the fall, we planted our bulbs, and today we want to give you a little update on them. So we planted foxtrot pink along with muscari, which is also called grape hyacinth sometime. We also planted the blue moon mix of the crocus. For the tulips, we layered them. We put the tulips about 7 inches down, and then we put the muscari about 4 inches down. The crocus were about 3 inches down. So the normal time in Tennessee to plant the tulips is around Thanksgiving. We planted these November the 18th. Might have been a little bit early. We had a real warm spell for about 2 weeks at some point, and it caused the muscari to break dormancy. So I put them in the garage. I put a black bag over them trying to slow them down, and it did not work. Once they break dormancy, they're gonna go ahead and go. The only thing it did was they were yellow, and these come out very, very long. I talked to the people at Eden Brothers, and they said these could be trimmed up a little bit. So I did trim them some. And being out in the sun, they are greening up now. But this is what it kind of looks like now. The beautiful thing about gardening is it may not always go as planned, but it's still beautiful in the end. We plan on sharing this beauty with everyone in the office. So one thing that I feel like I have learned with planting bulbs in the GreenStalk is when you're planting 2 different varieties, you may not get them to come up like you want them to. So I feel like if you want a full planter all at the same time, probably it might be best to stick with one variety. And if you're okay with them coming up at different times, then that's great too. It will be beautiful no matter what in the end. We challenge you to grow something new this year. And when you do, please remember to share it with us. Happy gardening!